Okay, what you're looking at is you're looking at a screw that the head has snapped off below the wood. So I've got a screw in this wood. This happens all the time with screws or with nails. How do you get that out? I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove that coming up next. So this is the tool we're going to use to extract a broken screw. You can use it for broken nails as well. So you take it just like a regular drill bit and you insert it into the chuck, tighten it up, then you're good to go. What I have is a drill with a 3/8 paddle bit loaded into it. I'm going to create a template first in this piece of plywood. So this is a template. It's going to keep our bit on task. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so I'm going to take my template that I just made and I'm going to place it on top of that screw. And I'm going to make certain that it's centered. There we go. It's centered very well. All right, so what that's going to do is it's going to keep our drill bit on task and prevent it from skirting all over the wood and damaging it any further than it already is. Now what I want to do is I want to demonstrate to you what happens if you try to use this bit without a template. And that's why you don't want to use this drill bit without using a template. It's just going to skirt all over the wood. You're not going to be able to control it. We've got our template in place. It's directly over our broken screw and it's centered. Now it's time for us to drill it out. Now I've got my bit installed, but look at the teeth and look at the direction they're going. So what you want to do is you want to place your drill on reverse because it's going to allow you to really dig into the wood. If you put it on forward, it's going in the wrong direction. So make certain that your drill is on reverse. Now we're going to insert it into our template, which is going to keep it centered and prevent it from skirting all over the wood. And now I'm just going to drill it out. Okay, so I've taken off the template. Now you can see it a little bit better, how it's bore the wood out around our screw. Now there's enough sticking out here where I may be able to get vice grips on it and pull it out. You may elect, it may be deeper than this, you may elect to take an awl and try to snap it out, but then you have to worry about whether or not you're going to damage the surrounding wood. So first, let's just try these needle nose. See if I can get enough on there. I got a little bit. I'm going to try to snap that plug and pull it out. There we go. There we go, folks. Now it's left a hole there, and what we're going to do is we're going to plug this. Let me show you how that's done. Okay, so I'm going to just put a little bit of glue down into that hole there. There we go. All right, now I'm just going to insert my wooden dowel like that. There we go. I'll give it a couple taps. Wipe this glue off a little bit. Now we're just going to cut it flush. There we go. Now I'm just going to hit it lightly with a little piece of sandpaper. It's been repaired. So there we go, folks. All done. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.